对不起，这是我的地方。
什么？
这是我的地方，我每次就在这里。
不行，你去那边吧，没有人。
那我去找一下我老公。开玩笑的，我可以坐在这里吗？
可以，可以。
哎，宝贝儿，我在游泳池，你过来吧。是我老公。
那我先走了啊。
可以。
Hi there and welcome to this lesson Chinese for Beginners. My name is Oliver. In order to understand this lesson, you must have studied all my previous lessons. You can find all the lessons, including the texts, on the website ChineseWithOliver.com.
对不起，这是我的地方。
The lady says 对不起，这是我的地方. Excuse me, this is my 地方. 地方, that means a place, spot, location.
对不起，这是我的地方。我每次就在这里。
She says 我每次就在这里. 每, that means every, so 每次, that is every time. If you say something and then 就, then you want to emphasize what you just said. 我每次就在这里. I every time at here. In English, I am here every time.
我每次就在这里。
你去那边吧，没有人。
I say 你去那边吧，没有人。边 means side, so 那边 is that side. 没有 is very important to know. 没 means not, and 有 that means there is or there are. So 没有 that means there isn't or there aren't. 你去那边吧，没有人。You go to that side, there aren't people.
你去那边吧，没有人。
那我去找一下我老公。
The lady says, 那我去找一下我老公. In that case, I go look for a moment, my husband.
那我去找一下我老公。开玩笑的。
She says, 开玩笑的, making a joke, or literally opening a joke.
开玩笑的。我可以坐在这里吗？
She asks, 我可以坐在这里吗? Can I sit here?
我可以坐在这里吗？哎，宝贝儿。
She answers the phone and says, 哎，宝贝儿. 宝贝 means baby, darling, sweetheart. It is mostly pronounced with that funny R sound at the end. So, 宝贝儿.
我在游泳池。
She says, 我在游泳池. The verb 游泳, that means to swim. 池, that is a pond or a reservoir. So, 游泳池, that is a swimming pool.
你过来吧。
She says, 你过来吧. As you know, 来 means to come. 过来 means to come here, so in the direction of the speaker.
哎，宝贝儿，我在游泳池，你过来吧。是我老公。
Then she says, 是我老公. It's my husband.
那我先走了啊。
I say, 那我先走了啊。先, that means first, as in before anything else. Now look at this expression, 我走了. As you know, le after a verb is used to make the past tense. So if we follow this logic, then 我走了 should mean I go past tense. So I went. But this is an exception. 我走了 means I am leaving, I am going. 那我先走了. In that case, I leave first. This is a very common expression when you are with other people and you leave them, then it's polite to say 我先走了.
那我先走了啊。
可以。
Finally, the lady says 可以, you can. Right, now I will show you the dialogue once more, but this time without subtitles.
对不起，这是我的地方。
什么？
这是我的地方，我每次就在这里。
不行，你去那边吧，没有人。
那我去找一下我老公。开玩笑的，我可以坐在这里吗？
可以，可以。
哎，宝贝儿，我在游泳池，你过来吧。是我老公。
那我先走了啊。
可以。
You can find all the lessons, including the texts, on the website ChineseWithOliver.com.